Now what I'm going to show you is called an even up program, and this has never been seen before in internet marketing history. Why do I say that? Well, the earnings potential goes on to infinity, and this is the most genuine and realistic opportunity you'll ever see. So what does an even up system mean for you? Well, basically you keep all your uneven referrals, the odd numbers, so the first, third, fifth and seventh referrals and so on to infinity, they all go to you. But you actually pass up to your sponsor all your even referrals, so your second, your fourth, sixth and eighth all pass up to your sponsor. You may be wondering, why should you pass up every second referral and how this will benefit you? Well, this is actually where the magic comes in, because this even up system will allow you to make an unlimited monthly residual income. I'll just show you here briefly. Your sponsor is above you, and basically you're going to get the first, third, fifth, seventh, every uneven one to infinity, okay? And your second, fourth, sixth and eighth will all go up to your sponsor. But where it gets great is where you are the sponsor and you've got a downline. So this person that you've recruited, they will get their first and their third and their fifth and their seventh and every uneven one they'll get, but you'll get all their even ones, 2, 4, 6, 8, and you'll also get the even ones of their even ones and the even ones of their uneven ones, all the way down to infinity. So I hope you can see the great potential of this. Okay, so you sign up, you pay your $10.15, you're going to promote this video wherever you can to your friends, your existing downlines, and you can use many marketing methods which are available. Now, let's say you recruit just 4 people or refer 4 people to the program. At the end of the first week, you should have your 4 referrals. You keep the first and the third, and guess what? You're already in profit. The second and the fourth are passed up to your sponsor, and now you have 2 people from your 4 that you recruited. You've got 2. They are 2 direct fixed referrals under you, and you got paid $10 for each one. Now you've got $20 in residual monthly income. In week 2, your 2 people that you referred, they start to work, and they both refer 4 people each, and they both pass 2 referrals each up to you. You now have 4 new people in your downline. Can you feel the magic already? So you now have, in actual fact, a total of $60 in monthly residual income. In week 3, the 4 people you got last week, they get their 4 people each, and they all pass 2 each up to you. So you now have 8 more new people in your downline. So that's 8 times $10 is $80, and now you've got $140 a month in residual monthly income. Week 4, the 8 people you got last week get their 4 people each, and they all pass 2 people each up to you, and you now have 16 more new people in your downline. That's $160, but now you've got $300 in monthly residual income. Week 5, the 16 people you got last week, they get their 4 people each, and they all pass 2 each up to you, and you now have 32 more new people in your downline. That's $320 more. You now have $620 in monthly residual income. Week 6, the 32 people you got last week, they get their 4 people each, and they all pass 2 each up to you. You now have 64 new people in your downline. That's another $640 a month. So your total now is $1,260 in monthly residual income. Week 7, the 64 people you got last week, they get their 4 people each, and they all pass 2 each up to you, and you now have 128 more new people in your downline. That's $1,280, a total of $2,500 in monthly residual income. Week 8, the 128 people you got last week, they get their 4 people each, and they all pass 2 each up to you. you now have 256 more new people in your downline. That's $2,560 a month. Okay, so in total you now have $5,100 in monthly residual income. Week 9, the 256 people you got last week, they get their 4 people each, and they all pass 2 each up to you. So now you have an extra 512 more new people in your downline. That's $5,120. So you now have $10,220 in monthly residual income. And the 10th week, the 512 people you got last week, they get their 4 people each, and they all pass 2 each up to you. You now have 1,024 new people in your downline. Congratulations, you now have 20,460 in monthly residual income. This goes on to infinity. Of course, that was just an example. Some people may not do anything. Note, if you don't do anything, I mean you don't recruit at least 2 people, you won't receive any pass-ups and you won't make any money. If you refer 1 person, you'll cover the monthly cost of your autoresponder and other tools. So if you refer 1 person, you're doing them a favor. They can make money from it, but they can use the autoresponder and so on. Okay, but you can also use it yourself to build your list and promote lots and lots of products. This is the fairest and most realistic money program that I've seen on the internet. Now, some people may not get 4 people in a week, and some may get much more. And if you're lucky, you may refer an experienced marketer with a big list, and he or she may give you 20 or 40 in their first week. After you've realized the magic of this system, you won't stop referring, and you should keep on promoting. You should be telling everyone about this great opportunity, which makes your downline grow at light speed. You've got a great value product that everyone needs. Now, as we saw, each person was only recruiting 4 people each, and each week it grew and grew and grew. But can you imagine if everybody kept on recruiting more and more? Because I won't stop at 4. Okay, we all keep on recruiting, and that's what makes it grow exponentially, and that's what makes it really work. All you need to do now is join All-in-One Profits. You should upgrade from being a free member straight away by paying your $11.50, and you start building your email lists and start to grow a long-term internet business. Remember, stay focused and work hard at this. Now, with all online opportunities, we really need to give an earnings disclaimer. It's because we like to be legal and proper. So while I'm talking to you, I'm just going to leave this, and you can just read over it. It's basically saying that any figures, any numbers that I discuss on this video, they are hypothetical. I cannot compare you to anyone else. I cannot say that you will achieve and someone else won't. It's totally unpredictable. Okay, all I can say is, in my opinion, is that the people who will succeed more, I've seen it so much in downlines, are the ones that take action. If you don't step forward in life, you won't get anywhere. So you need to take action in this. Whatever you pay in a business, whatever a business costs you, its value is what it's going to give you. Okay, so if somebody asks you what's your business worth, your business is worth what it's going to give you in the long term. And I would suggest you think about motivational things. What are your hopes and your dreams to get from having your business? And those hopes and dreams are what your business is worth. And if you've got a business that's worth a lot, then you really should put everything into it. I've seen so many people buy products and join schemes in the past, and they don't do anything, and then they wonder why it's not working. You've got to take action. You've got to work hard. This is a business. I'm going to show you the things you need to do. You've got great tools in front of you. You've got great potential.